Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Angular is a popular open source web application framework developed by and maintained by the Google. It is used for making or building the dynamic single page web applications. Angular allows developers to create scalable and high performance web applications with rich user interfaces. What are the key features of the Angular? So first one is the component based architecture. So Angular has the component based architecture. Applications are built using the modular and reusable components, making the code easier to maintain and scale. Two-way data binding means synchronization between the model and the view. So this is two-way binding. I will explain later on. Dependency injection manages and injects dependencies, services, objects, etc. efficiently, improving the code modularity and testability. Directives. They have directives. Extend the HTML with custom behavior. Example including the structural directories like ngIf, ng4, or attribute directories like style, class. TypeScript. Okay, so it is TypeScript based. Most important, Angular is built with TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that provides static type, better tooling and cleaner code. Built-in routing, they have a built-in routing. Angular router help you to navigation and transition between the different applications view seamlessly. RxJS for reactive programming. So Angular leverages RxJS reactive extensions for JavaScript for handling the asynchronous data streams, making tasks like HTTP requests more efficient. Modular structure. Applications are divided into modules, like ng module that group related to the component services and directives together. Why use Angular? Robust framework provides a complete solution for building the large scale feature rich web applications because it is structured, organized. Okay, it's a framework, web framework, right? Cross platform development supports building web, mobile, desktop applications. Active community, strong backing from the Google and large developer community ensures the continuous improvements and the resources. Angular is widely used for building enterprise grade applications, progressive web apps, PWA, SPA, where scalability and the performance are the key considerations. So that's the reason we are going to use the Angular in our projects and see how the components we can use, directives, each and everything we are going to learn in this series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.